Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do a marble look using our silicone nail stamper. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape and wipe your nails clean. Using Commando and whiteout, apply it onto your silicone nail stamper and swirl the gel nail polish together using a nail art brush. Roll and pat your silicone nail stamper across your nail till you are happy with your marble design. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed to get in closer around the cuticles. Using your nail polish remover pen, clean the gel nail polish off your skin before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.